What's going on, guys? Corey from PhoneArena here, and we are doing a quick unboxing of the Asus Zenfone 5Q. Now, this is the first of the Zenfone 5 lineup to reach stateside, and the lowest end of which starting at $299. So, let's take a look at what's in the box. And there is the We Heart Photo tagline, which Asus has definitely made a big push on with this device. We'll get into that in a little bit. Let's just first see what's in this box here. Got a SIM tool, IMEI info, serial numbers, warranty info, of course. That to the side there. And a nice little silicone case. So that'll be nice to pop on. Alright, and let's see what else we have in the box here. Phone aside there for a second. Looks like we have some earbuds right here with some replacement earpieces, micro USB charging, and e-charging brick. Looks like that's about it when it comes to what comes in the box. Some decent looking Asus branded earphones. We'll see how those sound later. Now onto the phone, which looks pretty good. Now this is a $300 phone. Glass back on here, feels pretty nice. It's a pretty light device, feels sturdy in the hand though. Looking pretty good. Let's pop this on. Good feel to the buttons, power, volume on the side here. In back, fingerprint sensor, of course. Dual cameras in the front and in the back. So you have flash and a 120 degree wide angle camera paired with a 16 megapixel regular lens, but you actually have a 20 megapixel in front. So you have a bigger camera for the main sensor in the front than in the back, paired with an 8 megapixel wide angle lens, just as in the back. Flash in the front as well. Pretty solid looking device for $300. So we're gonna get this set up real quick and we'll be right back. And here we are. So all set up, got Android here with Zen UI and their usual list of tweaks, which we'll get into in the full review, but just wanted to give you a quick unboxing and look at this device. So we'll just run through specs really quick. We're looking at a Snapdragon 630 on this with 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigabyte storage. So again, pretty decent for a $300 phone. Of course, we'll see how well it performs in the day-to-day use. We're also working with a 3300 milliamp hour battery. So this is a pretty formidable device at the $300, $400 price range. We'll definitely have to take a look at how these two cameras perform. Lots of live bokeh features, of course, will be included, but the wide angle should be a nice addition to get bigger and better photos in the front and in the back. This is an unlocked device, so it'll only work on AT&T and T-Mobile as well as Metro PCS. No Verizon or Sprint for the Zenfone lineup just yet. So stay tuned for our full review on the Asus Zenfone 5Q.